Hey, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a glitch video. This is going to be the, let's just represent it. It will be on the title. Alright. Same old thing. Basically you already know the steps. You be a pup, and then you get a newborn. Then you give them a little request, and then have them teleport into location. And then bring them back over here. And have them get off. So basically that's how it works. But for this video, we won't need to be doing that. Really all you have to do is go wherever you want. I always go to the adoption. Now as you can see, this little button here will save you sometimes. So you can do this without wings, but I prefer wings, so I'm going to get the wings. Alright. So now you get your pup. And then you just start flying. Just like in the other videos. Try avoiding them, of course. Now you can go in and steal anyone you want. You have a best chance with the people who are standing, but and you can't really see for a bit, but as you can see, I am now carrying them. I like to take them to the volcano most of the time. Well, that didn't work. Let me ask, what are you supposed to do if they don't get off? Well, you have to wait for them to get off, and I'm going to be staying in this volcano. Yeah.